You guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in California and we are at the Town and Country Resort here in sunny San Diego. This property is so incredible. I'm so excited to share it with you. It is a mid-century modern design with these perfect retro throwback features that will make you feel like you step back into your childhood. If you were a child of the 70s and 80s like me, but you will see these little nods to just some vintage retro decor that are incredible, but then it also has a very modern plush design as well. So I am so excited to show this to you. I feel like I found a real gem here, and it would be perfect for everything from conferences to family vacations. So we will take a look at the pool area, which is incredible, in a minute. First, I'm going to take you up to our classic suite. This is a 1 king suite. And you guys, what a cool property. I love the retro room hangers, told you. And then these retro keys. It just, again, this vibe is so fun. Wait till you see this suite. It's so good. So you have 2 sides to this suite with a door in between them. Makes it perfect for family travel, also great for business. I'll show you later how we did some meetings, both inside and on the balcony. But as you can see, a sink on both sides, lots of storage space. And also this suite has 2 bathrooms, which is really nice. Nice, big, spacious showers. Again, your sink area, your coffee maker, all those little touches that I was telling you about. We will go into the other side of the suite and take a look at that in a minute. But again, as I mentioned, I love how this door closes things off. Depending on the size of your party or what you're doing, you have this whole other living space that you can enjoy. There's a work desk area, but so fun and spacious. And this sofa does turn into a sleeper. But the perfect vibe for a California vacation. So there's a peek at all of that. And again, in San Diego, great location. Take a look at this balcony patio, you guys. So good and big. This is so spacious, but look at what you get to look out at. It's just beautiful. And I will come back and give you a peek at more of a nighttime view as well, because it just gets better and better. And we'll also do a full walk around of the pool area, because that's incredible as well. And talk about a great place for a family vacation. This is it. Like, I literally found your place. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. Beautiful. And I think that's the most important thing when you look for a resort style vacation destination, is that it has all the things. And I think you're going to find that this property really does, from restaurants, coffee shop, all of those things, plus really, really neat accommodations. So we're going to go in now and look at the other side of the suite, which is basically a duplicate of what is on the other side, but so good if you have several people in your party or you're traveling with kids or whatnot, because this is going to make things so easy to have so much space. The bathroom area is the same again, but so nice with multiple people in your party. Also, I wanted to mention this property feels really clean to me. It smelled good. It just, you can tell they've renovated it, and it's so good. So, and I'm kind of picky about that, as you know. So I feel like it has all the things. Again, you have your whole setup over here with your king bed. This does come in a 2 queen bed option, I believe, these classic suites. But you can see just everything. And once again, I'm going to take you out here and show you just how incredible this view is. Seriously, look at this. Like, this right here is why you take a vacation, in my opinion. Like, this view, to just sit out here on this deck and enjoy. And you have both of these patio decks. So good. And I'm going to show you what this looks like at night too, because it gets even better, as I said. But I just can't get enough. And if you love that California sunshine and the sunsets, you're going to be able to soak it all in here, plus this pool area and the pool slides. So many great things for kids to do. You just sit back here and enjoy it all. Incredible. So excited to share this property with you. There's a walk around that I'm going to do for you, so stay tuned in this video for that. Also, make sure to check out my other video of a different room style tour, because you do have a lot of options at this property, but I think this is my favorite. Super well done. So there is a peek at that. I'm so excited to show you a little bit more of this property and include details down below as to where you can find it to book yourself. But holy cow, this is the classic suite, one king. We're gonna go look at this view again because I'm a little bit obsessed, but just visualize yourself here. It's so, so good. Okay, quick fast forward to the next morning so that I can show you what this looks like. Can you imagine waking up to this? Just beautiful, and it's close to the San Diego airport. Great location to get to so many things. But I feel like once you get on property here, you kind of have everything you need if you're just going to stay on property as well, because it is a destination. Like, this resort kind of has everything you need, and so, so good. So we're going to walk down now and take a look at the coffee shop. Dog and pet friendly. And we'll come into the market here. They have a wonderful little coffee shop, snacks, ice cream, different things. And then their little pooch area over here is really cute, so I wanted to show you that. They have a little gumball machine with dog treats in it, but all kinds of fun things in here. And then I want to show you, we did some meetings back in the suite, and this was so perfect for that. We could have actually accommodated probably up to 10 people comfortably for meetings in this space. So good, and so nice to be able to do that at a hotel property while you travel and not have someone in the area that you're sleeping in or all of those things. And it gets better. We moved our meeting out to the patio because the sun was calling, and holy cow, talk about just a property that has it all. So this one's on my list. Like, I can't wait to bring my family back, and I definitely think this is a property that just about anyone can enjoy. So I definitely enjoyed work a lot more being able to sit out here on the patio and do some of our planning for the new year. And those California rays just always hit just right. So now for the fun part, I'm going to walk you around this property. You guys, it's so good. Let's go into the gated pool area and take a look at that. I'm just going to walk you through here, because if you're looking for a destination to take the kids, there's going to be no shortage of entertainment here. The big water slide, and then you'll kind of see all the pool seating, a few different pool areas, and then the restaurants are really good too. We had the chance to eat at a couple of them. Telling you, they have it all here. So I'm just going to walk around and let you kind of just soak in this pool area and just look at this place.
Like, you're in your own little paradise right here in San Diego.
Okay guys, that kind of sums up my tour and video about Town and Country Resort in San Diego. Groove on, man. Like, the perfect way to wrap up this video, because that is the vibe here. It is just a vibe. It's beautiful. I almost forgot. As promised, I want to give you a peek at what the view from these balcony patios look like at night. Is this not incredible? Again, this place is magical, I'm telling you. Just the lights and the way the sun rises and sets, and then in the evening, it's just something special. So add this one to your travel list. I promise it won't disappoint. So cool. Okay, let me know if you have questions. All of the details will be down below. Thanks so much for watching. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.